Look at this. Let's shake things up. All that gold. What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of a new fragrance in my collection. It's from the house of Statik Olfactive. I have been looking at this specific fragrance. It's called the Forbidden City. Now this fragrance has notes of apricot, jasmine tea, hinoki, incense, woods, and a lot of other things. So it got me really curious, like what it might smell like. So I went ahead, I purchased the bottle, and Chris Martin, the owner of the company, sent me a small gift, which is like a full disclosure to you. But first, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. First, I want to show you the wonderful packaging that these two fragrances came to me. All this golden and black paper, like paper shreds, they just got me really happy. I don't know why. I just felt happy. It looks very nice. It came in a beautiful black box. So this is the fragrance. This is the one that I purchased. This is called the Forbidden City. The fragrance name is on the back. And Chris Martin, the owner of the company, was very kind, and he sent me a note saying, this is called Into the Wild. And this one was a gift from him. I'm going to do a first impression of this one later on, because today I'm primarily very interested in smelling the Forbidden City. This is the fragrance that I purchased with my own personal money. So for this one, it's not a sponsored content. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Just so you know, this particular fragrance, Statik Olfactive and the Forbidden City, this comes in two different types. So I bought the 50 ml bottle, and the bottle itself looked very beautiful and from the pictures. And just so you know, I purchased the one that had gold flakes in it. That's right, guys. I'm really curious to find out what this one's all about. And if you're new, just like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button too. All right, so that is your box. Feels very premium, like it's nice, very good quality just from the touch, and the prints, it's laser sharp. It's not like low quality or anything. You also get a beautiful hologram sticker right here, so that's like the seal of authenticity. So I gotta open that up too. Not really feeling like cutting this thing. I wish I could keep it intact. Nothing to do. You got to take things off. All right. A little struggle. Sometimes the boxes are a bit tight. I got to be careful. All right. So this thing came off. Nothing special in there. All right. So you get a nice card, most likely describing about the fragrance. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's almost got that something like a silk kind of cloth in there. This beautiful 50 ml bottle sitting right inside. Look at this. Take a good look. Beautiful stuff. Like really attractive packaging. Like it's very simple, but yet it has this beautiful elegance to it. Now, let's shake things up. Look at that. All that gold. It's all about the gold swag. And the cap, I don't know if it's plastic or wood, but it's got kind of like that marbled kind of texture to it. It's a shiny one. Really nice. Like, wow. I don't know if you can see the design on the front of that bottle, but wow. 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 All that gold swag, baby. Time to spray it on my handy dandy tester strip. Let's go ahead and do it. Before I proceed, let me just tell you about some of the notes. So I did mention it's got apricot, jasmine tea. It's got some hinoki wood essential oil. It's got some precious woods, something like sandalwood, American wood, bois d'essence, frankincense, musk, and some captivating molecules. I will be discussing about all this later during my full review, but for now, I cannot wait any longer. All right, so the cap fits snugly, but I would not recommend lifting it by the cap because this thing just sits there. It's not a locking one. All right, no leakage, nothing. So everything looks good. Everything looks in place. Very premium. Like, I'm super impressed. Super impressed. All right, here goes. First time smelling the Forbidden City. Let me see what's forbidding me. Wow. Holy moly. Whoa. Like, up front, you get this apricot jasmine tea. Like, apricot, that's this fruity. The jasmine's coming through. The jasmine, although it has kind of like that carnal or like an animal kind of touch to it, not too much, but you do get it. You do get it. And it enhances like the floral aspect of this whole opening. Like, it's a big blast of a lively, very bright opening. The tea is definitely there. It's acting like one of that dark brew. Some working somewhere in the background, and it smells very juicy. Like, I'm pretty sure it's the apricot, and it's not like one of that dry apricot. It smells more like that fresh thing, like the actual fruit itself. Wow. So the hinoki and the frankincense is working in such a way they're like balancing out each other. So it's not yours very smoky, like dark and frankincense. It's more like a sweeter one. The hinoki is definitely giving off the vibe of a temple. If you have smelled zoologist's macaque, was it macaque? Yeah, macaque, the yuzu edition, or which one? I forgot which one I have. I got pulled that thing out. It's almost like that kind of hinoki and frankincense mixture. So you are literally or figuratively taken to this place where there's frankincense, myrrh, and everything burning in the background. You're in this peaceful, quiet place, no disturbances, and you're sipping on some nice hot tea. Just relaxing your mind, freeing up everything. It's like a feeling of zen, pure bliss, pure zen. Wow. Like, just on paper, this fragrances, I can feel it's already transforming. It's becoming a bit more fruitier. The floral aspect is almost gone at this point. But it's there, it's somewhere in the background. Wow. Gonna have to do it on skin right now. So the atomizer, what I see is like it's more of like a very fine mist, so you might have to spray it from a bit close. Or like if you wanted to spray it all over your clothes, do it from far away, it's gonna capture a lot more area. Alright, so on skin, it's something different, yes. Right, so the jasmine is not as pronounced on my skin. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried this fragrance, what happens to you, to you when you spray this on your skin. Like, on paper, the jasmine was more pronounced. It was a bit more floral, but over here, it's more of like a very balanced thing. Also, somewhere in the background, I feel kind of like that very fresh, clean, soapy thing. And I'm pretty sure it's coming off from the musk. It's one of that soapy, clean musk that's going on in the background. Really nice. There's almost like a mysterious darkness to it, but it's very, very mild. It's not like super loud. Beautiful. Like, the sweetness is balanced. There's no sourness to it, although there's like a fruity aspect from the apricot, but it's like more on the sweeter side. Almost like a very juicy, fruity thing. I don't get too much of a carnal or like animalic kind of vibe from the jasmine here. It's working perfectly fine on my skin. It's pretty loud. It's pretty loud. Like in the air, it's smelling almost heavenly. So, guys, this was Statik Olfactive from a fragrance. It's called The Forbidden City. Definitely something that truly connects a fragrance to a place or a moment in time. Like, beautifully done. Chris Martin, I don't know you personally, but I want to congratulate you for creating such a beautiful fragrance. Like, I really loved it. Wow, man. Definitely suitable for all weather, but 100% suitable for summer. Like, it's super hot and humid in New York City right now. I'm gonna rock this one. I don't know, maybe I'll have to buy a pack of bottle of this. And guys, do stay tuned to my channel for a first impression of what was this called? Into the Wild. So this was a gift from Chris Martin, the owner of the company. So again, just because I got a gift, I'm not gonna give you like a super hyped up review or anything or first impression. It's always gonna be honest review as I've always done on my channel. So guys, that was my first impression and unboxing of Statik Olfactive. The Forbidden City. This is the bottle. This is the one with the gold flake, all that gold swag. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this fragrance. What are your thoughts? What's your opinion? How do you feel about this specific one? Man, this is addictive. Wow. Total win on this one. Like, absolutely loved it. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. This is like gold. Real gold. Like gold level fragrance. Look at the bottle too. Wonderful stuff. I'm not going to take any more time, guys. You've been great audience on my channel. And like always, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like this. And until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.